And so at one point, when the baby screws up his rosy, wrinkled face and regards his small circle of admirers, Mr. Nandi leans over and calls the baby Burro, the Bengali word for old man. What's his name? Burro. Patty inquires brightly, bearing another tray of baked chicken for Ashima. Ashok lifts the lid and polishes off the chicken. Ashima is now officially referred to by the maternity nurses as the Jello and Ice Cream Lady. No, that is not a name, Ashima explains. We haven't chosen. My grandmother is choosing. Patty nods. Will she be here soon? Ashima laughs, her first genuine laugh after giving birth. The thought of her grandmother, born in the previous century, a shrunken woman in widow's white and with tawny skin that refuses to wrinkle, boarding a plane and flying to Cambridge, is inconceivable to her, a thought that, no matter how welcome, how desirable, feels entirely impossible, absurd. No. But a letter will. That evening Ashok goes home to the apartment, checks for the letter. 3 days come and go. Ashima is shown by the nursing staff how to change diapers and how to clean the umbilical stub. She is given hot salt water baths to soothe her bruises and stitches. She is given a list of pediatricians, and countless brochures on breastfeeding, and bonding, and immunizing, and samples of baby shampoos and Q-tips and creams. The 4th day there is good news and bad news. The good news is that Ashima and the baby are to be discharged the following morning. The bad news is that they are told by Mr. Wilcox, compiler